Wendy join the crew. Bob and the gang have so much fun. Working together, they get the job done. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Pilchard and Bird, Travis and Spud, playing together like good friends should. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can.
Keep still. Honestly, whoa. Oh, you're a slippery customer, aren't you?
Morning, everyone.
Hi, Wendy.
Hi, Wendy.
Where's Bob?
He's in the house, Wendy.
Talking to someone.
It's no use wiggling like that. Right. Oh!
Bob? What are you doing?
Oh, morning, Wendy. I thought it was high time I cleaned out Finn's tank. Only he's not helping. Are you, Finn? Oh!
No, I can see that.
Oh, no! Look at the time!
You get going, Bob. I'll deal with Finn. See you later.
Thanks, Wendy.
Well, Pilchard, just got to organise a few things in the office and then we'll clean out Finn's tank.
Right. Come on, everyone. We've got lots of jobs to do.
Way!
Muck, I'll need you to help me, and Dizzy, and Rolly.
Can we fix it?
Yes, we can!
Should I start mixing, Bob?
Yes, Dizzy, you do that. Oh, bother. I've forgotten the cement. Muck, go back to the yard and get a couple of those bags of cement, would you?
On the way, Bob.
And hurry, we've got loads more to do today.
Hooray!
Come on, Finn. Oh, that's it. Just put you somewhere safe while Oh dear. Are you all right, Muck?
I'm okay. Oh, I'm really sorry, Wendy. Bob sent me back for some cement and he said to hurry and I did, but I hurried a bit too fast and you won't tell him, will you?
Oh, Muck. Bob would understand.
Yes, but I feel silly.
It could have happened to anyone, Muck. All right. Shouldn't be too hard to fix. Now, we'll have to dig this out and we'll need to set a new prop in cement.
Cement? That's what I came for. See you later, Wendy. And Dad.
There. Nice work, Rolly.
Oh, yeah? It's flatter than a pancake.
Right. Let's go. Next job, the old garage. Hello, Bob the Builder. Oh, hi, Wendy. Yes, of course you can. Bye, then. Dizzy, could you go back and help Wendy? She wants some cement mixing.
Goody.
Oh, and tell Scoop I need him to help out at the garage.
Okay, Bob.
I wonder what Wendy wants cement for.
Right, Lofty. Your turn to do a bit.
Is it?
I just want you to pull the old support out of the ground.
Yeah, I think I can do that. I can
Right. While we're waiting for Dizzy, I think I'll make a nice cup of tea.
Hi, Wendy! I'm home! Cool! What's happened?
Oh, just a little accident. Still, now you're here, we'll soon have it fixed. We need some cement in this hole to hold the new support.
Oh, goody! I've got lots left. Oh, yeah, Wendy, Bob wants Scoop to help him at the old garage.
Right. Lofty, can you take over from Scoop?
Yeah, I think so.
See you later.
Phew. Hard work, this. Still, you can help me now, Scoop.
No prob, Bob.
Wow! Look at that! That must be really old. I know.
There. Now we just need to screw the roof back down to the new support and wait for the cement to set. Hello?
It's me.
Oh, hello, Bob.
Wendy.
Yes? All right. Yes, of course I will. I'll send Lofty. Lofty, could you take this to Bob at the old garage?
I think so, yeah. What's it for?
Bob's found the top of a very old petrol pump. He wants a box to put it in to keep it safe.
Yeah, I think I can do that.
Ah, there. All done.
Hiya, Lofty. Oh, thanks. This'll do nicely. Come on, you two. It's home time.
I hope Wendy's fixed the lean-to.
Don't worry.
Hello, everyone.
Oh, brilliant. Wendy, you've done a great job.
A great what? Mark, what's going on?
Oh, I had a little accident, Bob.
It wasn't his fault, Bob. You see, Bird was being football referee and Muck was...
I skidded to Miss Bird and bashed the lean-to. Sorry, Bob.
There's no need to be sorry. You didn't do it on purpose, and Bird's fine. And Wendy, our brilliant builder, has fixed it. See? Good as new. Better even.
Oh, Pilchard and Bird. I'd quite forgotten poor Finn. Oh, what a clever cat. And what a clever bird. With all the excitement and the lean-to and everything, I'd forgotten I was cleaning out the fish tank. But Pilchard and Bird have just reminded me.
There you go, Finn. All nice and clean again. Thanks to Wendy.
Pilchard! You've been such a clever cat. You deserve a special treat for tea. Would you like some fresh fish?
Pilchard?